Come on, guys, it's Chris.
It's Joe.
SVT Garage, and we have a quick plug-and-play install for the new Edge Mustang, but primarily the yellow Cobra here. So, as you guys can probably tell by the B-roll, what we're getting into, we got the, you know what, let's flip this around and let's talk about it.
So basically today, guys, I went ahead, I've wanted this for a while, and I just kind of finally went ahead and did it. I bought the Raxiom plug-and-play sequential taillight harness for this car, and I bought it off American Muscle. It was like 90-something bucks, and I actually did one already. We were just going to take you through today just how quick and easy it is to do it. I think it's a really cool mod. I drove the car last night and actually saw it, and I'm like, yeah, I'm glad I did this. So we'll go ahead and take you through just how quick it is to install this. It's got a little module, because for the sequentials, it's very simple. They label it, the instructions are plain as day. Great, quick little 10-minute install for anyone that wants to do something like this.
Again, just it's all plug and play. As you can tell, it's even got the factory looking grommets on there. And we're gonna go real quick before we do the install, pop anything or open anything up. You guys saw the B-roll. Let's just go through, put the hazards on, and just do a quick side-by-side. All right, so here's what we're talking about for you guys. Sequential, see how we got the kind of going in steps here, all three of them. And the factory just blinks the two outers. So quick little simple upgrade, gives the back of the car a little something, and you know, I'm a fan, I like it. So we're gonna get into this and show you guys how to do a quick plug and play modification.
Yeah, nice and simple. All right, guys, very simple. You literally just unscrew this little guy right here and get access to the couple little minor 10 mil little nuts on the taillight. Go ahead, fold this out of the way.
Again, that's what you said, 10 mil?
Yeah, just a quick little 10.
Okay.
In and out. All right, so pretty cut and dry here. You just kind of get all the old lights out. Doesn't give you new bulbs, so basically make sure you don't damage the bulbs when you're taking them out. It'd be nice if that was a 01 amber harness, be worth something.
Yeah, I got one sent to the house. Tucked away in a box, in a vault.
In the vault, huh?
In the vault of Cobra parts.
In that mysterious vault. Speaking of that vault, when I bought Ryan's 01 a few years back, I called, I really want Terminator side mirrors on it. Oh, I got some. The vault does not disappoint.
Nope.
Alright, so the blue and black is actually your reverse light.
Now, you said that those are, they also label them?
Yes.
Okay.
We got a 1, a 2, and a 3 on it. And then it obviously goes... See, they're slightly different.
Yeah.
So they only really go one way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously, one's not going to reach over here where number 3 would be.
Yeah, no. But it's good in there. Very quick, very easy.
Can we see this real quick?
Okay.
Put the other way. Okay, you're good.
And then tuck the little box right in here out of the way. And then
if you want to get a little fancy with it, a piece of Velcro on the back just to keep it there. But
or even just double-sided 3M.
Yeah, just to keep it. But you know, I think it's gonna be fine just chilling the way it is.
Yeah, it's not really hurting anything.
Nope.
I like that the grommet, they have the grommet. You just feed it right back through. And you have...
There, hold that. Get that.
Got it.
Get it. Cool.
Nice, right back in its factory spot. You got the grommet on there?
Yep. And that, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts?
4 bolts.
That's it. 410s back together, and put the just plug it back in at the harness back there.
I'm glad I did it. Anyone who's thinking, is it worth just getting it? I like it. I think it's a cool little touch. I've always liked it on the newer Mustangs.
I'm gonna be honest with you. No, go ahead. I don't hold you up. I still think we have to get rid of the smokes.
I don't like the fact.
I mean, brother, that on the Mystic. All right, let guys comment below. Let's comment below. We literally have a side-by-side comparison.
I don't really like the red on the yellow.
I think it looks so good though. Anyways, comment below. Do we go back to factory or do we leave the smoked? My vote. You got one vote for factory.
In the vault, you have red ones?
I don't, but I know who does. Someone who does.
Who does?
Ryan.
What does he have red ones from?
He's got some red ones. Some really clean ones. That are gonna go on the red fire. So that means the red fires are up for grabs.
Let me might have to do a little test to see, but
Give
us your opinion.
Give us your opinion. But Ryan just picked up a super clean set of factory reds off of Marketplace for like $50. So they're going on the red fire, but I don't know. I think we switch them. But your car. That's it. It's all done.
That's it.
So let's close this down and do a after. And here they are done. And these were Raxiom, right?
Yeah, those were a Raxiom kit.
Late model?
American Muscle.
American Muscle, okay.
Yeah.
Well, American Muscle. Appreciate
They showed up in 2 days. Great shipping.
Yep.
Nice and quick.
$90. All right, guys. That wraps it up for a Raxiom taillight sequential install. This video is, I'm at 5 minutes right now, so probably could get this whole thing done in 10 minutes if you're doing both of them.
Absolutely.
But let's end this video. All right, guys, you've seen it here. If this is something you're interested in, comment below, let us know. If you guys have done it, comment below, let us know. I think it's a cool little upgrade.
Let us know on the taillights. Give us your feedback.
That too. And do you know, because I know the newer Mustangs come sequential.
Yes.
I don't know. I can't remember what year that started. I don't know.
I thought it started in 10 and up.
Yeah, I can't remember. But cool little upgrade for the new Edge. And, you know, little things like that add up over time. So simple, fast, cheap.
I don't have amber taillight money, so that's my little thing that I liked.
I mean, you could put a sticker on there. We know somebody who did. But anyways, guys, it's Chris.
It's Joe.
SVT Garage, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.